Recent medical research shows that understanding depression in seniors is crucial. For adults over 60, mood changes can impact health significantly. Addressing these shifts is vital not just for longevity, but also for daily joy. Many seniors may experience feelings of sadness or withdrawal, yet it doesn't have to define this stage of life. Approaching it with adequate knowledge and support can transform health outcomes. In this video, we'll share insights to help you manage mood changes effectively and enhance your quality of life. Understanding your body as it ages is key. Depression or mood changes aren't just inevitable parts of getting older. They often stem from changes in brain chemistry or new life circumstances. Picture your brain like a complex orchestra. Sometimes certain instruments need tuning. Changes in neurotransmitters, the brain's chemical messengers, can affect your mood. Knowing these changes occur helps in tackling them proactively. It's important to approach this knowledge with openness and readiness to act. This empowers you to take steps that support mental health. Recognizing the signs of depression can be life-changing. For older adults, symptoms may differ from younger people. Fatigue, trouble sleeping, or losing interest in favorite activities are common signs. It's important to be aware without feeling alarmed. These symptoms warrant attention and, if persistent, a conversation with your healthcare provider. Self-awareness is your first defense. Keep track of your emotional patterns and don't hesitate to seek support when something feels amiss. Remember, you're not alone, and many resources are available to you. Nutrition plays a vital role in managing depression. Focus on balanced meals abundant in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. Omega-3 fatty acids found in fish can boost brain health. Avoid excessive sugars and caffeine, which might trigger mood swings. Plan your meals to have regular, balanced diet intake. Cooking at home allows you to control ingredients and portion sizes, fostering not just physical, but mental well-being, too. Healthy eating supports both mood stability and overall vitality, contributing to a more joyful experience. Engaging in safe, effective movement is a powerful mood lifter. Consider gentle exercises like walking, yoga, or Tai Chi, which are great for seniors. These activities improve circulation, boost endorphins, and can be done at your own pace. Start with 5-10 minutes daily and gradually increase as comfort allows. Joining a local walking group can add social interaction, which helps enhance emotional well-being. Movement is not just good for your muscles and joints, but also for your mind and spirit. Medical monitoring is crucial for managing depression. Regular checkups provide insights into your physical and mental state. Working closely with healthcare providers ensures you receive tailored advice. Discuss any medications with your doctor, as they might influence mood. Remember, professional guidance is key in deciding the right course of action. Never hesitate to reach out for immediate help if you experience severe emotional distress. Your health team is your ally in maintaining mental resilience and exploring treatment options that support wellness. Mental health directly impacts social well-being and lifestyle. Staying connected with family, friends, and community is essential. Engage in activities that bring joy, like hobbies and local clubs. Embrace technology to keep in touch with loved ones. Sometimes sharing feelings with a trusted friend or joining support groups can combat isolation. Cultivating these relationships offers emotional comfort and strength, forming a strong buffer against depression. Maintaining a positive mindset is important, and you have the ability and wisdom to foster enriching social connections. Managing depression after 60 is within your reach. By understanding your body, recognizing symptoms, and adopting healthy habits, you can significantly improve your mood and overall outlook. Consistent physical activity, balanced nutrition, and reliable medical support all contribute positively. Remember, reaching out for help shows strength, not weakness. Start with small, manageable steps towards a positive change. You have the power to transform your life into a joyful, fulfilling experience. Let's embrace the journey to better health with confidence and courage.